chaos.
What the hell is he thinking? He's going to tell me to calm down. He needs to learn. He's a son.
That'll help. Thank you.
Here's what you did. I'm dealing with the customer. She's in my face. You're going to come up and tell me to calm down? No.
Oh, look at that. That's cute. Oh my gosh. Chaos, chaos, reigns. Oh, look at this in the tunnel. Oh, I love that tunnel. Both tunnels. That puppy got out of that towel quickly. Somebody pee-peed where they weren't supposed to. Somebody was bad. Somebody was a bad puppy.
If I talked inappropriately to you, I'm sorry. Here's the deal. I said that you were right. You were upset. So what? You're right. This is your store. So what? Are we gone?
I guess I'm going to have to braid it and walk out in them. Oh my gosh, my toes will never be the same. Yep, they're already biting me. Ouch. Oh, ow. Oh, oh, ow. Oh, ow, ow, oh. Who's down in there? Who's down in there? What are you doing to my feet, kids? What are you doing to my toes? Good puppy potty. What a good puppy. Good puppy. Good job. Oh, here comes another one. What a good puppy potty. Good job. Yeah, yeah. What a good puppy. Who are you? Come here, you. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Let's see who you are. Black puppy with a little blue flowers. You're a good boy. Okay, chaos. Oh, look at the fun they're having. Who cares about the mess? We just clean it up. I just clean it up. I just clean it up. One's biting my pants. Good puppy potty. Oh, good potty in there. Good puppy. I'm being eaten. So much for my pants. I can't get to the remote, so I can't change the TV. Oh, they're getting sharp teeth. Hey, you two, what are you doing in there? What you doing? What you doing? Okay, okay, I want my pants back. You're almost pulling them off of me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Listen to that bad stuff on TV. Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. Now, I wonder where I can sit this. I wouldn't have to worry about them eating it, but it'd be a lower level. I'm going to try. Let's see if this works. Of course, it's nighttime. What a good puppy potty. What a good puppy.
So we're going up on that, huh? 15 years is here writing poetry.
Can I have my pants back?
That is good.